Mother's Day present fire. And by bad, I mean good, and by good, I mean great. Now let's talk about this instead. That's right, party people. I got two crews, both alike in dignity, and they will have to work in no dignity. Who are you guys anyway?
We are the Super Sonic Crew with capital S. Everybody, make some noise!
All right, Supersonic Crew. Oh, you mean like the song? And I want to make a supersonic man out of you. So don't stop it now. Oh, it was okay. Because you know what? Right here, I got the boys with the toys that make the most noise. You know the groundbreakers. The sound make it.
Let's just battle, come on.
All right, y'all are ready to clash, huh? Because these brothers of the beat seem about ready to smash. All right, now let's see which one of these two will come up on top. And which one? Y'all didn't make me lose my mind. Come on, let's give it up one more time. All right. Decisions. All right, check. I'm the queen of the hill with the judge. The sexy you can fit in your arm. I love the spin. Girls in the church, because I rule with my business. I can't choose if it doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that's how. They were both pretty good, right? They were both really good. What you think? You got an idea? How about let's stick it through the others? Make some noise! Alright, I like it, that's hot. Well, the queens can admit sometimes it gets hard to see. Some of the wise are the call for a time of democracy. And only you can be in charge of this drum and dance explosion. So the ladies and my gents, you be the trial and spoken. So let's up the ante and let's raise the stakes and see which athletes two can teach you folks the shake. Y'all feel me? Some of them are. I'm gonna break it down now. So each of these crews are gonna go out and pick one person from the crowd. They're gonna teach you as much as possible. Then go head to head in a final battle royale. 600 crew checkers, you ready? Let's go. So if you wanna dance, you wanna join the Supersonic crew on this side. You wanna make beats, join the beat shakers on this side. Don't be shy, come on up. Yeah. See you waving your hands in the air like you just don't care. So come on up.
Oh bro, I see your outfit very nice. Come with.
Alright, come on, let's start on this side. Okay, what's your name? Crystal, where you from? Crystal from the Philippines, everyone! Yeah, I like the fan club. That's awesome. Alright, we need one more person on the Supersonic side. What you got? You? You gonna dance? Alright, first off, let's see what you got. Alright, come on up. What's your name? Pavesh, where you from, Pavesh? Pavesh, come into everybody! Alright, Pavesh, Crystal. What we're gonna do is do what these guys are doing. Yes, so you're gonna follow along. Beat shaking on the side on this side. Crystal, hit it when you're ready. Let's go. Hey! 1, 2, shout. Let's go. Okay. I'm trying to say, Supersonic crew, big shakers. You're about the way. That's what I'm talking about, everyone. We're doing this here today, aren't we all? Everybody in New York, clap your hands if you've had fun with us today. Hey! Let's party one more time. on the beach, yeah.